Welcome to Week 2 Instructor Guidance. This week you will be required to use the multiple skills and knowledge you have gained as a business student so far. This is the capstone class for marketing majors, and I have an expectation that most of the fundamentals learned in the business core, such as accounting, finance, management, and so forth, are understood. What we're going to do is apply those skills using a strategy framework. Business skills do not exist independently. This is a challenging class, and once completed you should have a greater understanding of how the business core applies to marketing. You also have the opportunity, probably for the first time, to develop a marketing strategy exercising your marketing knowledge. This week you will have 2 quizzes. The first one is over Chapter 3 and the second one is over Case 18. The chapter quiz has a study guide and consists of 20 multiple choice questions. There is not a study guide for the Case 18 quiz, so you will need to be very familiar with the case before you begin the quiz. The Case 18 quiz consists of 20 true-false questions. Case 18 is a very important document. It will be the base for all discussion boards, starting with this week through the end of the semester. All weekly assignments will also deal with information from Case 18. I've been monitoring the personal introduction discussion boards and find you are an interesting group. Answering the question set gives your classmates a good idea of what you bring to class. As you notice from my announcements, I have some concern with the level of input on the discussion board. My expectation and requirement is to answer a series of questions that uses the text as background as well as supported statements. If you treat the discussion board as a chat room and do not adequately answer the questions or give short, weak responses, then your grade will reflect it. The discussion board posts require a minimum of 100-word original post, but that will simply get you by. In order to reach proficient level, you need to submit substantial, academically developed posts and responses. The exceptional level requires a unique insight in addition to the requirements for the proficient score. It is difficult to earn the exceptional level, but I encourage you to work towards reaching it throughout the semester. I've been somewhat lenient on the post-year introduction grading. As I stated earlier, the future discussion boards require much more background and thought. Review discussion board sample original posts and responses document found in the Week 1 tab. You will be required to submit your original post before you will be able to read your classmates' posts. Always check the instructions and grading rubric before you make the original post. As a reminder, the original post is due on Wednesday of the week and a minimum of 2 responses by Sunday. This week's discussion board will deal with determining Sushilicious' mission statement. Use the information found in Case 18. You will be required to answer 5 questions in Part A of the post. The questions are: who are we? Who are our customers? What is our operating philosophy, basic beliefs, values, ethics, etc.? What are our core competencies or competitive advantages? What are our responsibilities with respect to being a good steward of our human, financial, and environmental resources? Some of the answers will be found in the case. The others you will have to make an educated guess by understanding the actions of Wu and the business practices of Sushilicious. Using the answers to Part A, you will write the mission statement for Sushilicious in Part B. The examples of the mission statement are found in Exhibit 2.2 in the text. Do not wait to begin work on the discussion board. It will take a very good understanding of the case and chapters to properly develop this discussion board by Wednesday. This and all future discussion boards will require an understanding of Case 18, the chapter material, and require you to draw from your general knowledge and skills gained in previous business classes. Looking ahead to Week 3, the discussion boards and assignments will again deal with Case 18 and how to evaluate a case. Step 1, situation analysis, and Step 2, assumptions, and missing information. You will want to review the How to Evaluate a Case document found in the Week 1 tab. You should be able to check your grade at the end of Week 2. There will be an announcement found on the Blackboard class homepage. If you have any questions, contact me early in the week by email, myers-d@mssu.edu.